Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are in document posting, right? And in document posting, what we have seen guys till now, like almost everything, whatever the basic settings are there that we have tested, right? Like as I said, like document reversal. Document reversal is nothing but when any mistakes are going to happen, people are going to reverse the documents. These are pretty basic things, right? Now, let me log in guys. So, okay. I think one server is not working. This 8 is not working. I received some notifications from server owner. Okay, so let me log in, guys. Now there is one more thing, guys. So if you guys are, if you see the screen of FB50, right? FB50, the same whatever JV is going to be, it in a sense journal voucher, right? Journal voucher means GL to GL entry. So whatever transactions are getting posted by using F-02 transaction code, the same transaction is going to be posted by using FB50 transaction code, right? FB50. Look at here, the transaction code will appear here. Now, okay, so TM33 is the transaction code, guys. Sorry, company code. Give your company code here. And once you give after that, by default, the company code will appear next time onwards. Okay. Again, the server is also slow, guys, or what? It's taking too much time. So whenever next time onwards, whenever you guys are going to use this transaction, TM33 itself is going to appear here, right? Say for example, you have created multiple company code. In that case, you can change the company code from here. You can click on switch company code. You can change the company code. Now, I will just do one thing. So, okay. So whenever we post a transaction guide, this is somebody has made it as required entry, right? And document type. Let me look at server is also slow, or might be my system is slow. That could be anything, guys. Okay. Will do. So let me make it optional because every time go to OB87. And guys, whenever you perform any testing, like let's suppose you made any field added, if it is a client level setting, then better to restore the setting after testing. Once the testing is completed, you have checked everything, right? It's working fine. It is not required entry, right? So why the error was there, guys? Something was there. Let me check it. Voice is breaking. Voice is breaking only for Praveen or like any other people also, guys? Reply here.
Sir, hello.
Yeah.
Sir, in this case, number range is not defined. 17 number is wrong. Code
Yeah.
for number range is 01, which we have defined.
I thought like it's different reference of this one. So guys, it is related to number range itself, right? So I will just do one thing. Somebody has made it 17. So I will also create 17 because if I'm going to change like from 17 to 01, after some time again, if that guy is going to perform the testing, then he will make it once again 17, right? So instead of doing these things, better to create a new number range itself, so that if he is going to use 17, it's okay, 17 is going to hit. If somebody is going to change and make it 01, 01 is going to hit, right? This is what the benefit. Now, so this was related to number range. This is not the text and this one. Okay, so we'll do one thing, guys. Generally, we are having, whenever you post a transaction and another GL is going to be credited, right? So here, any amount, whatever amount is there. So look at here, guys. There is a field called hold document. What is the logic behind this hold document, guys? Can anybody explain? I'll keep here on hold. Okay. So look at here. Generally, what happened? Anybody? Anybody want to say something?
If hello sir, yeah, this is Fahad. If we are working, if we want to take a break or something comes up important, we just pause the document. In SAP language, it is holding the document, and then later on we can come and resume our work. I think
Okay.
that's
Yeah. So guys, it's
how we
pretty
do it.
simple. Yeah, the answer is correct. It's pretty simple, guys. When, like, let's suppose you're on a talk, right? And meanwhile, you're going to get another urgent call. So you can put the first call on the hold, right? Or else, like, even if you have some other activities, like, so generally call we are keeping on hold. That functionality is there. Why? Because of, certain other activities or whatever it is, right? Now the same thing is applicable here in terms of like, what do you say, this one in SAP also. Let's suppose we are going to post a transaction, right? While posting a transactions, you got a call from your management or somebody, right? Or else, like, you have some activities, right? Or else generally what happened, you're sitting on a floor and immediately some routine, what do you say, because some routine, like, some mock drill is going to happen. All of a sudden this fire alarm is going to ring. In that case, what is happening, guys? You have to evacuate the floor immediately, right? You are in the middle of the transaction, so you cannot say, no, I'll post my transaction, then only I'll go, right? So simply we are going to put half of the informations we have given. Okay, let's suppose, I think it's gone. Okay, so let's suppose debit details we have given, right? Debit details we have given. You just select this one. Only debit details we have given, credit details we have not given, right? So we are going to put this on hold. And you can give a temporary document number, anything, whatever you want, you can give. Press enter. So the document went on hold, right? Now, so once you come back, then again you can start. Where, like, we are having somewhere, select held document, right? So you need to remember the document number, 123, press enter. So again, from there onwards itself, you can start your work. It is going to save your time, right? That is the benefit. Okay, that is the benefit. Now look at here. Simply we have given credit details, and I saved it. Right. Likewise, I'm having another option called Park. What is the use of this Park document, guys? Someone tell me.
In case there is a very important document which requires more than one person's verification, usually one person sparks that document and another person will check that document again all over again, and then he will post that document.
Okay. So yes, generally what happened, it is happening in like, say for example, if the client has given certain, what to say, let's suppose, generally it is happening like, let's suppose lots of companies are outsourcing their processes, right? So outsourcing the processes in the sense they are giving, like, let's suppose there is a company is located in somewhere in USA, right? So now it's a very huge company, right? So multiple invoices are, like, they're having a huge number of vendors. It's a manufacturing organization. Multiple invoices are coming from vendor side on regular basis, right? So now, in case in the form of hard copy and soft copy, both are there. Now, what is happening, guys? In order to process those invoices, right? Or is in order to, before that we are having multiple other activity also. First of all, project purchase order is going to be set up, right? So purchase order, then goods receipt, invoice receipt, then what is a payment is going to be posted. So a huge number of team is required. Backend team is required, right? So if you talk about the employee cost in US or any other European country, it is costly, right? It is costly. Whereas I think in India, if they spend even like in like, let's suppose this, whatever this BPUs are there, right? They are charging almost half itself. Whatever their cost is there in USA, they are charging half, and in that also they're able to generate more and more benefit. Why? Because here the labor cost is quite less, right? So now generally what happened, guys? So let's suppose company has given a conditions. Okay, you just do one thing. Whenever while posting the invoices and all, the accuracy must be there, or else whatever invoices which is more than $1 million invoices are there, there should not be any kind of mistake in that. If any mistake is happening, then we are going to charge a penalty, right? So that is the instruction given by client, right? Let's suppose the project went to Genfact. So now what is happening, guys? For a single invoice posting, then there will be two people, right? One is going to enter all the details and will park the invoice, and second one is going to check all the details and will post. Okay, so this is called, you can say it's a kind of cross check, right? Or else it is called dual verification, guys. Dual verification in the sense, maker and checker kind of concepts. Name could be different, right? But here the purpose is to avoid the mistake, right? To avoid the mistake. First person has given all the details, park the invoice. Second person is going to check all the details and post the invoice. Now here, I think it is gone. Oh, it is there. Okay. So now let's suppose, and let's suppose I'm going to park. Okay, amount is 0. It's okay, press enter. It's parked, right? But there is a mistake. Okay. So how to post the park document, guys? Go to /n FV50. FV50. And here select a park document. There is the previous document, guys. Enter a complete key 2021. It's okay, press enter. So all the details are there, right? And here, look at here, the credit GL was not appearing. Why it is not appearing, guys? Because here the amount we have not entered, I forgotten, in the sense the user has forgotten. Such kind of mistakes will not be there. Might be some silly mistakes like they have missed out the text field, or else like reference code, right? So these things are, I have given the entire this one amount, right? Here these things, let's suppose, is missed out. Press enter. So the second person is going to In the sense, one person has entered all the details and the first person has parked that invoice. And look at here, guys, I have not posted this invoice as of now. Okay, the document number is 3001. What is the impact here? Generally, if you check the GL report, it is not going to be updated. GL reports are not going to be updated. Go to FB, L, 3. So go to GL number 4000. Here, look at here, nothing is updated. Right? Park document is going to be updated separately. Here we are having park document. What is this noted item, guys? This is having a different logic that will come later. So here you need to select park document, right? Then the park document is going to appear here. This is not a complete transaction. Look at here, this is park document, right? So it won't be having any impact, guys. Park document will not be having impact because this is incomplete transactions, right? So once you post, just have a look here and tell me the differences, guys. Now let me post it. Document got posted. Now look at here. So from Park, it is going to be forwarded. This is a complete transactions. Okay, this is like, look at here, posted transactions. Keep your cursor, it is showing posted. And this is the Park. Okay, you refresh. Nothing has happened. Why, guys? It is supposed to be, right? Execute now. What happened? Still it is showing Park itself, right? Have I made any mistake? Preliminary posting document, this one is changed. Oh my god, where I have like, okay, I just did one thing, guys. I saved the Park document, right? It is not posted actually. Continue. Here is the post button actually. Here. You need to click here. Then it is going to be posted. The previous one was simply I made the changes and I simply save it. So saving in the sense like that is not posted. It was posting is here. So now it is posted. Okay. Now it is look at here. Transfer. Now what is the difference between Park document and post document, guys? Tell me what you have observed. Sorry, what is the difference between whole document and Park document? What is your observation?
For old document, we need to give the number, document number.
Okay.
On Park document, it will generate automatically. Document number will generate automatically.
Okay. Anybody want to say anything else?
Sir, whole document is done by one person, and for the part document, we require two persons.
Okay, great. So yes, these are the two major differences, guys. Whole document means same user, right? Same user in the sense like you know only the code which you have given, right? And Park document is what is happening? Two users. There will be involvement of two users. One is going to park and second one is going to post. In whole document, what is happening, guys? In whole document, we are going to assign the number externally. It's a kind of code. Any code can be given, right? Whereas in Park document, what is happening? In Park document, system is going to assign a number range, right? The only thing is whatever number is assigned. Let's suppose Park document number is 1031. This one was that, right? So this number is booked. Now, once you are going to post this transaction, then what is happening? Same number is going to be generated. this number is going to be generated. Okay, it's not like a different number is going to be generated. Same document is going to be stored as a completed transactions, right? Apart from this, guys, let me show you some more transactions. Okay, if you want to see the list of code document, FB11 is the transaction code, guys. Let's suppose I have simply, I'll give a detail here, right? Not here. FB50. Okay, this much itself I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 4. So if you want to see the list of old document, what is the transaction code here? It is FB11. Okay. So here temporary document number, no need to give temporary document number, guys. Here you can click on document list. So look at here, whatever document, like by your user ID, because let's suppose you've forgotten what code you have given. So you can get the list here, right? If you want to delete, you can delete also, or else if you want to post, you can, anyway, look at here, the document number is appearing. So you can post it. And likewise, we are having post and delete the park document. So whatever the park document is there, if you want to delete, you can delete that, right? There might be a question in your mind. Let's suppose I'll just do one thing. So I want to delete. Let me do one thing. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Delete. The document required is not, the document required is not existing. Is it not existing? Got deleted, I think, or what? Press enter. Document list. Okay, that is already deleted. Actually, I clicked on delete, so it got deleted. There it is. Anyway, so now you just go to FB50. For park document, what is happening, guys? The question is, if I'm going to park a document here, right? I'm going to park a document. Look at your document, 3002 got generated, right? And then you just do one thing, go to FB50, and I'm going to delete this park document, 3002, right? Okay, I'm going to delete. Is it possible to delete, guys? Is this? Yes, delete park document. Here it is. Whatever park document is there, that I'm going to delete. Okay. The document number 3002 was generated. Now we have deleted that. Okay. So the question is, if I post a transaction, then which document number is supposed to appear, guys? 3002 itself will appear, or 3003 supposed to appear?
3003.
3003. Why? But the
Because in ENA status already updated. It already updated. 3002.
It is marked as deleted because that number.
it is deleted. So guys, you just check here itself, right? So look at here. Even though the document got deleted, but there is no NR status is not going to be, guys, it is not going to be updated, right? Once the NR status updated with 3002, even though we have deleted that, right? That document number is not existing. Still, it is not here. It is not going to be changed, right? If somebody want to, generally people in real time, they are not going to care this much and all, right? Because the document, whatever document number length is there, it's huge and huge, right? So can we try like that document number got deleted, right? So here in our status, can we reset and make it 3001 and save it? Save it once. Save it once. Okay. And then I'll check once again. Park or post, whatever it is, guys, there is no problem. Okay, we are in this one now. Go to FP50. Whether you park or post, whatever it is, right? In both cases, system is going to generate the document number, right? Now 1200. Let me post only. Press enter. Everything is fine. If you save it, let's see what is happening. Document number, this one is already assigned. So look at here, guys. This is like a cancel message. Cancel message means here you need to exit only. Okay, it means in background, even though the document is deleted, that part document is deleted, right? But in background, it is going to be updated somewhere, and it is not possible to use. Okay, it is not possible to use. So if you exit, 3002 once again is going to be updated automatically. Here it will update. You come back, click on interval. No, it is not updated. It is supposed to be updated, right? In case of master data, it is getting updated automatically, I think. So here for this one, you need to change the enhanced status. Save it. In case of master data, it is going to be updated automatically. In transaction data, it is not getting updated. So now if you are going to post the transactions, so here next document is going to be. Now there is one more thing, guys. Okay, we'll do one thing, guys. Yesterday there was a question, B41, right? So here let's suppose in a particular, let's suppose posting key. At posting key level, if we are going to make certain field, let's suppose this assignment number as an optional entry. And at company code level, in the sense like field status valid. Quickly, I'll just show you guys because such kind of questions will be there in certifications. So you just do one thing, use OBC folder. So double click on group, and I think G001 is being used here. In general data, I'll make it like in posting key it is optional, right? Assignment number. Here I make it required and save it. Back here. So guys, now posting key, field status group or field status variant, both are same. And here the result. So if the posting key is, here we have made it required entry. The posting key optional I have made, right? Here I have made it required, right? So what is the result, guys? Look at here. This is your posting key 40, right? Optional assignment field. Whereas Here it is in field status group. I made it as assignment field as a required entry. You just do one thing. Come on the first screen. FP50. Enter the details. Even debit details itself. Any amount and press enter. Let's see what is happening. Look at here. Assignment field is system is saying it is supposed to be required. It means if this is the case, then final outcome is system is going to consider it as a required only, and vice versa also required itself. You can test it if you want. Okay. Now if it is like optional and here surprise, somewhere it is optional. Let's suppose here it is like at posting key level. I made it as a surprise, and here it is optional. In field status group guides, it is optional. In posting key, surprise, here it is optional. What is the result? 350. So guys, here generally what is happening, you check it, 4,000, make it debit, credit, whatever it is, press enter. So now look at here, assignment field is suppressed. It is not optional, right? Look at here, it is suppressed. So in that case, suppressed is getting priority, right? And vice versa, also separates itself. Okay, separates itself. And then here it is suppressed and here it is required. Then what is happening, guys? Tell me someone. Let's suppose here it is suppressed and here it is required. Anyone tell me, guys? In this case, every 50 once again you have to use so that the screen is going to be refreshed, guys. Once the screen is refreshed, debit, credit, anything, guys, you can give and press enter. So now look at here. Now here there is an error. Rules for posting key 40 and account 4000 set incorrectly. ZUONR. This is the ZUONR is the technical name of assignment field. Assignment is the functional name, right? If you talk about ABAP consultant, they don't know anything about this assignment field, document date, posting date. For every field, there will be a technical name also. How you will come to know what is the technical name? Look at here, click here in this field, F1 button you have to press. For some people, F1 button is going to work out. For some people, for FN plus F1 button, function plus F1 button, right? You can click here on technical detail, that hammer and this one, and look at here the field name ZUONR. This is the technical name of this assignment field. So system is saying that the assignment number, in the sense like you look at the error here, it is set up incorrectly. Like one side I said like it is supposed to be suppressed. At the same time, other side I am saying that it is supposed to be required, right? So in that case, system is saying that no, either it is supposed to be suppressed or Optional and subraised means system is going to optional in the sense like let's suppose optional means not much important, right? So in that case, if somewhere we have subraised, the system is going to take that. But other side, like we are saying subraised means I don't have any requirement, right? And required means I'm saying that yes, this is must be a required entry, right? So in that case, there is a conflict. So rule for posting key 40 and account this one set incorrectly. For which field? For assignment number ZUONR. So now what you have to do? You have to check first of all. So look at here, guys. The clue is pretty simple for you. 40 posting key that you have to check, and this GL 4000 means what, guys? What field status group we have assigned in this GL master, right? Against that field status group you have to check. Okay, so GL master 4000, against that we have assigned field status group Z001. So here you have to check assignment number. Look at here, it is required entry, make it optional, right? And you can even like for posting key also, if you want to make it optional itself, or else if you want to give separate also you can keep separate, there is no issues. So this is how you have to rectify the error. The only thing is here error, and vice versa also error. So optional required, it means required. Required optional means required. Suppressed optional means suppressed, and optional suppressed means suppressed. And when the suppressed and required is there, in that case, error will be. Okay, this is how it is going to happen. Even like I'll tell you guys, even you guys also could have checked it, right? Instead of like if I'm going to cover this one in live classes, it is going to take the time and all. For experiment, this is pretty simple, right? Whatever I'm doing, I have done here. Even you guys also can check, and you can make the experiment. You can check the logic, like what is happening. The impact you can check on. Okay. So guys, anyway, so today we have started very late. So I'll finish the lesson here today, guys. That's all in this session.